Hi everyone, I am Shanvi and today I am back with a new lesson. So today we are going to learn some ways in which we use the word promise. Well, we often come across the situation and we use the word promise. For example, if we ask someone for a promise or when we give someone a promise, then we usually come across saying the word promise. But how we use it and what are the ways in which we use the word promise? So that's what we are going to learn today. So watch this video till then and don't forget to like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon for further updates. So the first way in which we use the word promise is when we give someone a guarantee. So when we give someone a promise, we assure them that we will do it, complete the work. We will do this work. We give the guarantee to the person whom we have given the promise. So for example, you have to go in a party with your friend today and she wants that you should not come late. So you can say that I promise that I will be on time. It means that you will be on time and you are giving a guarantee that you will be on time. So let's take another example, that is, I promise I will complete my science project. You will complete that project. So you are saying that I promise that I will complete this project. Okay, now the next way in which you use the word promise is giving a word. So giving a word means that whatever you are saying is completely a truth and you are as much sure that it will be happen, it is a truth, then you are giving a word to it. So for example, government has promised that they will reduce the tax. So it means that government has planned to reduce the tax and they are giving a guarantee and they are saying truth and giving promise that they will complete the work. So that's how you can use this word promise when you are giving a word to someone, when you are saying a truth and assuring the person that I am saying truth. You are giving a word to that. Now the next way in which you use the word promise is when you are asking that you will not do something. So there are times when someone wants a promise from you and for not doing something. So for example, your friend has planned a surprise party for her mother's 50th birthday. And she don't want to tell this to anyone. It is a surprise. And she has tell you that, oh, please give me a promise that you will not tell this to anyone. Then you can say that, oh, I promise I will not say this to anyone. It means that you will keep this surprise as a secret. You will not tell anyone about this surprise. Now the next way in which you use the word promise is when you ask someone to give a promise. So there are times when you are saying someone to give a promise. For example, if you want someone to do a work for you or if you want someone to keep a secret, then you say, hey, promise me that you will do this work, or hey, promise me you will not say this to anyone. So for understanding it more better, let's take few examples. Okay, so the first example is promise me that you will complete your work on time. Promise me that you will complete your work on time. It means that you are asking someone to give a promise that he or she will complete their work on time. For example, promise me that you will not tell this to anyone. So it means that you are asking for a promise that to not say something to anyone. So for example, if you have broken your mother's favorite pot and it's a secret, she don't know about it, and your friend knows that you have broken the pot, then you can say, promise me you will not tell this to anyone. These are few ways in which we use the word promise in our daily conversation. So that's it for today's video. Hope you liked it, and if you do, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon for further updates. So I will meet you in my next video. Till then, you take care. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Stay home, stay safe.